what's the ruling on those who study in a kafir country and they indulge in physical education classes and they're forced to play with the opposite gender? I say there is no compromise in religion, and there is a red line that we Muslims cannot cross. Who defines this red line? It's the Quran and the Sunnah. So if they force you to go into physical education class, okay, and it's mixed, okay, and part of the class that you have to play together, okay, and one of the classes there is Romanian wrestling, so you have to grapple and wrestle with the opposite gender, okay. No, it's not okay. Well, we have to jump in the swimming pool and maybe play water polo or whatever they call it. And this may encounter some physical contact. But I don't want to work as a janitor. Well, this is up to your preference. When you come to Islam, there's a red line you cannot cross. And all what you're mentioning is crossing these red lines. What is the limit? After the PE class, we have to take a shower. Interesting. And they don't have any gender segregation. Okay, what's next? Go to boot camp and stay there for a week in bunkers? This is not Islam. This has nothing to do with Islam. Go back to your country, akhi. Don't stay in this kafir country. You will be compromising your religion. Either you put your foot down and use all diplomatic and legal means to say that this is my religion, I cannot go against my religion, and try to fight it, fight the system, until you make a precedent for you and all Muslims to have dignity and honor in their religion. All what they want is for you to be melted in the same melting pot. You have to behave like them, act like them. One day during Ramadan, you will have to be forced to eat pork and maybe break bread together or drink wine, the blood of Christ. I don't know. But Allah said it in the Quran, وَلَن تَرْضَى عَنْكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَا النَّصَارَى حَتَّى تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُمْ. O Muhammad, the Jews and the Christians will never be pleased with you until you follow their way, their religion. So I think enough is enough. You have to draw the line and choose whether you want this dunya or you want the akhirah. As long as you're implementing the Quran and the Sunnah without any extremism, without any unnatural choices. All of this has to fall under the guidelines of Islam from the Quran and the Sunnah, and real scholars of Islam who follow the Quran and Sunnah, not the diluted scholars. I'm talking about the real scholars who follow the Quran and the Sunnah with the wisdom and with the knowledge and with the diplomacy, would understand how to treat such issues, and Allah knows best.